Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. I am so excited. In here we have got an LED diamond painting that I wanted for long as I can remember. It was in B&M's and when I went back to get it, it was all sold out. But Vinted have come to the rescue and the lovely lady Heidi has managed to have one. She had it for a £5 and I thought, it's coming in with me. So yeah, let's get into this. So, quite surprised it fitted on the desk actually. It's so big, but classic with these paintings is they're quite large. So, righty-ho, let's get into this. So it looks like it's brown Amazon paper. Did you know, like, Amazon packing paper stinks? I don't know why, it just smells awful, doesn't it? Like, what do they use it on? Does anyone else notice that Amazon paper reeks? But, past the parcel here, guys. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh wow. Let's just push it. You don't even have to unwrap this bit, look. And can you guess what it is, people? Are you ready? Yay! I finally got it. I am so happy. I've been after this for so long. And someone had it on Vinted and yeah, £5. I was like, it's got to come to me. So let's get into this. It's 4,000 plus crystals. Like, oh my god, everything's falling apart. I love the orange and the black. They've done a lovely job on the packaging. So let's get into this. And as you can see, it is, well, they said it was new, so I hope it is. It's quite dusty. Yeah, so let's get into here and get this baby out. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is fantastic. Look at this. Let's have a look at the front. Oh, my days. Look at that. Oh, why does he look so sad? Oh, this is lovely and bright, isn't it? God, blimey. This is gonna be a beautiful, beautiful painting. Let's just hope that it works because when obviously they're in the cellophane, you never know how long the seller's had it for. So we don't know how long the battery's been in there. So hopefully it will, but I think I'll do that first, test it first. So, oh, this is lovely. Sorry, I've just come back from the locker, so I'm just trying to get this filmed before the daylight goes. And I'm sort of knackered, so haven't had a rest yet. So let's turn it over, switch it on, please work, please. Oh wow! Look at that. Okay, so this actually lights up. It's obviously lighting all around here, look. So you've got the stars there, or the lights. There's a few up the top here, around the edge, and on the bottom. It'd be nice if they could put one there so that the butterfly lights up, but oh, this is stunning. What a lovely, lovely canvas. Now let's get into our bag. As you can see, apologies, I've been doing a bit of desk tidying today, but got our standard boat there on wax with a few bags, and these are our colour drills. So Harris, I think you might like this one because it's a lion and you did say to get a lion. So, oh, this is a nice short one, look. Only 6 on the Shematic. Wow, so it's a nice short one here. And as you can see, white, coffee colour, orange, brown, black, and an orange. Oh my days, this is, I love it. I absolutely love it. So, I've had a couple now. So, the only one that we've had a technical problem with is that blue LED white lion one. And I think it's just faulty wiring in that, so we'll have to see what we can do. But oh my god, so let's turn it on again. Oh, look at that. It's really, I can tell that's a new battery because of how bright the light is. But oh wow, that is so lovely. It's been sitting in the locker all day because I've only had a chance to go and get it, and it's like 7:30 at night. But look at that. Oh my days. And what will happen is it will light up like this. So that's the idea of how it will light up, although I didn't see, I only saw a few around there. I don't think there's all that. Let's just turn it on again and see that. So Oh, maybe. But anyway, this is a stunning piece. What a lovely, lovely line. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, this is lovely. We'll just check the stick. Yeah, stick's a little bit on the weak side there. There is a little bit of a scuff up the top here, but the main thing is the image here, and that's perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. They do sell these in B&M, or there's hundreds upon hundreds on Vinted. I've seen some really good ones on there, and I've actually got one reserved at the moment, which is one that I've never ever seen before. So I'm really happy with this. I'm so happy I got this, because I've wanted this for so long, literally so long. It's so frustrating, like when you go back to the shop and they've not got it, like, yeah, and you sort of think that you're going to miss your chance, because I don't think you can order online with B&M. It's very strange, but someone came to the rescue on Vinted, and I'm over the moon with it. Absolutely well worth every penny paid on this. Absolutely love it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you I will see you for more diamond paintings, LED ones, very soon. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye for now.